everyone, welcome to my channel and thank you so much for watching you and me. I am Shradha. If you are watching my channel for the first time or you haven't subscribed to it yet, then make sure to subscribe it and also press the bell icon so that you will be notified whenever I'm on YouTube. Valentine's Day is just about the corner, so I thought of creating some easy to go makeup looks for you guys. So my first makeup look is this. It's very simple and easy with very minimum products. So for this look I have just picked a very simple basic off-shoulder top that's blue and white in color and a pair of jeans and some jewelry. That's it, because I like to keep it very simple and casual, and I know that most of you guys also like the same. So let's get started. After cleaning my face, I have moisturized it. If you are having a dry skin, then it's really very essential to moisturize your face properly and then start doing your makeup, because that's the key factor that your makeup stays for a longer time and your skin doesn't feel any dullness or dryness. Now we'll be using a primer, so I'll be doing a DIY primer which I've already mentioned in one of my videos. So if you want to see that hack, just click this I button or I'll mention it in the description box. You can check out it later. So let's start doing a DIY. So for that, again I'll be using a moisturizing cream. So whatever moisturizer, as I've told you, you can take. I am just very little because we'll be including 3 ingredients in this, so I have just taken very little moisturizer. Then I'm taking the Patanjali aloe vera gel. You can take any aloe vera gel, and our main ingredient is a glycerine. So if you are having a dry skin, then it's really very important for you to have a bottle of glycerine with you always, because it's very hydrating and almost all the primers contains glycerine in it. So we just need a drop of it and then mix it very nicely and apply it on your face. We are coating a layer of moisturizer on our face, and with that it's priming our face too. Now let's start doing our makeup. So for this, after using the primer, we are going to conceal and correct our dark spots a little bit under the eye. That's it. And then either using your fingers or a sponge, just dab it. I'll mention all the details, whatever product I'm using, though I'll be not using too much of fancy products. I'll be using all affordable and easy available products. I've used very minimum product because we are going out for almost a day, and I don't like that after few hours everything comes off and then we look a bit odd, because when the makeup comes off little bit of here and there, it really doesn't look good, and we don't want that. We want to look very natural in our Valentine date. So now we'll be using the Note Luminous Moisturizing Foundation. This has SPF 15 in it. This again moisturizes our skin, and when having a dry skin, always search the foundation or whatever product you are looking for that has moisturizer in it or have the moisturizing properties in it. Using my Note sponge, I'll be just blending everything. Now let's move to the compact. So I'll be using the Lakme 95 Primer Matte Foundation using my wet beauty blender. Prime and powder your eyelids very nicely, because if it's nicely primed, then it really becomes very smooth and it becomes easy to apply the eyeliner and the eyeshadow. So it's done now. Now we'll be doing the eyebrows. It's very important to have a perfect natural looking eyebrows. So I'll be using the ADS eyebrow powder. Be very gentle here and don't put a lot of product in this area. Put whatever product you want in here, because if you put a lot of product here, then it will not look good and natural. For just giving a shape, I'm giving the outline and filling it in with whatever rest amount of powder I'm having in the brush. I'll be doing the blue eyes today. So for that, the blue color I'll be using is from the Sugar Quad. It has a really nice blue color and a blue eye pencil. This is a very local eye pencil from Camleon. It just costed me rupees 50 or 60. So let's get started. So first we need to apply a base color. You can use any of the neutral color. I'll be using this basic neutral color on my eye, all over my eyelids. No matter you are dusky or fair, I'm having a dusky skin, but blue color or kajal and eyeliner looks really very beautiful on every skin tone. So just I'm applying this neutral color all over my eyes. It doesn't create any difference if you are searching for color here. I'm just applying so that whatever color I'll apply on the top of it, it will pop out and it becomes easy for me to apply that color. Now using the dark blue and just placing the product on the outer corners and then pulling it inwards. Drawing a line all over the eyelids and rest filling the product inside towards the inner corners. And that's it. We'll be applying very less color on the eye because we don't want to be all glittery. And then we'll be using a blue color eye pencil to apply the eyeliner and to fill it inside our lower waterline. I'm not going to apply very fancy winged eyeliner, just we need to draw a single line over our eye. And then we'll be applying the same color under the eye on the outer corners of the lower lash line. Okay, let's apply it in the waterline as well. And it's done. So now is the time to accentuate our eyelashes. So for that, I'll be using the Blue Heaven mascara. This is a volumizing mascara and it was just for rupees 175. And then we need to highlight this part. So I'm using a very thin brush. You can use your fingers as well. That also works very nicely. So I'm just taking a golden shimmer color. You can use either silver. Just fill inside and spread it. This really looks good when you take pictures. And of course we are going to take many. Then we need to highlight this area also using the same golden color from the Sugar Quad. I got this quad in my fab bag. favorite part, applying a lipstick. So I'll be using the bright red color. It's the You Red Me from Maybelline Color Jot Matte, and I really love this, and I especially got this for this video and for this Valentine's Day. So first I'll be applying a lip pencil all over my lips, the Claire Glim Sticks for lips. No matter if you're having a dry skin, oily skin, or any skin type, or whatever your lips texture is, you need to moisturize your lips very nicely before applying any lipstick, because if you moisturize your lips nicely, then only the lipstick will stay for a really long time and it will not chap. I'm applying a lighter shade than that lipstick, or if you want you can apply a nude lip pencil as well. And then, as it has a cushion on it, so I'll be using an angled brush. We'll be taking very little product on it because it really gives a very nice coverage. So just have taken very less product. It has a very nice lemonish smell on it. So if you are new into lipsticks, then before applying lipstick, just apply a layer of lip pencil. This really makes easier to apply the lipstick without getting it out of your lips. So now I'll be just dabbing the excess using the tissue. This will make your lipstick non-transferable. And now we need to give the final touch by giving a pink cheeks, and I'll be using the Chameleon Velvet Touch cheek blushers. So for that I am using a angled brush, fluffy angled brush. And then we need to highlight this point. So for that I am using a very normal eyeshadow palette that has a really nice silver color. Instead of using a fan brush, I like to just press this brush like this, and then it becomes very thin, and then take the product on it and apply the highlighter. And it's done. Now let's change and get ready. So yes, that's about it. Isn't this look was very simple and basic? I wanted to keep this video very basic and simple and affordable, because whatever videos we are watching over the internet, firstly it's hard to implement, and secondly it's very risky to apply a lot of makeup on our face that we haven't done before and go to our Valentine's Day. So yes, that's about it. And also, after completing this whole look, I thought that even if I have not applied the eyeshadows, it didn't create much difference, because we are having a very beautiful color as eyeliner. I hope that you like this video the way I liked it, because I'm really loving this on my face. So yes, that's it for today. Now we'll meet on my next videos with some another Valentine's Day special things. So make sure that you subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it yet, and also follow me on my Instagram and Facebook page. So now we'll meet on my next video. Till then, you take care. Bye.